An invisible, silent, and highly volatile energy source flows directly into millions of modern homes daily. A devastating explosion could easily occur without precision engineering controlling this incredibly powerful and dangerous resource. This essential daily fuel does not simply appear by magic inside your modern kitchen stove system. Modern natural gas requires extreme technology and massive drilling operations to safely extract from the earth.
Deep beneath the surface, ancient organic matter slowly transformed into the powerful energy we use today.
Dead organisms slowly accumulated along the dark ocean floor, creating thick biological layers over countless millennia.
Heavy sediment buried these biological layers, trapping them in a completely oxygen-free environment beneath the sea.
Extreme underground heat and massive geological pressure slowly altered the chemical structure of the buried matter. This immense planetary pressure eventually converted the ancient biological material into powerful and highly combustible hydrocarbons. Methane gas became tightly trapped inside microscopic cavities within deep layers of dense, porous underground rock.
We are literally burning ancient energy generated millions of years ago to cook our daily meals.
Locating these hidden underground reservoirs requires advanced satellite imaging and highly sophisticated geological seismic wave technology. Energy companies send powerful sound waves deep underground to create accurate three-dimensional maps of hidden structures. Expert geologists carefully analyze the returning seismic echoes to pinpoint precise locations of trapped natural gas. Massive drilling rigs must penetrate multiple layers of solid rock to reach depths exceeding 6 kilometers. Reaching the deep underground reservoir releases immense pressure that has been building for millions of years.
Highly specialized pumping systems are often required to safely bring the raw natural gas to the surface.
This raw energy emerges completely invisible and entirely odorless, making it incredibly dangerous without proper monitoring.
Freshly extracted gas contains heavy water, abrasive sand, and highly toxic chemical compounds requiring immediate removal. Massive industrial separation facilities receive the raw gas to begin the highly complex and necessary purification process. Mechanical filtration systems quickly strip away heavy solid particles and destructive sand from the raw mixture. Specialized chemical scrubbers remove all traces of water to prevent severe pipe corrosion during future transport. Highly toxic hydrogen sulfide must be carefully extracted to ensure the fuel is safe for human use. Valuable industrial byproducts like liquid propane are safely separated during this initial stage of chemical refinement. The natural gas becomes significantly cleaner, but invisible impurities still severely limit its overall energetic efficiency. Useless compounds like carbon dioxide and nitrogen must be stripped away using advanced chemical absorption systems. Complex microscopic filter barriers capture the remaining unnecessary elements to maximize the pure heating value completely. Ethane and butane are captured here, providing essential raw materials for manufacturing modern plastics and medicines. A final intensive dehydration process removes every single microscopic water molecule remaining in the flowing gas. The perfectly purified methane is now completely stable, but transporting this incredibly light vapor remains extremely difficult. Massive industrial compressor stations forcefully squeeze the gas, drastically reducing its volume for long pipeline journeys. Highly pressurized fuel rushes through thousands of miles of underground steel veins, connecting processing plants to cities.
When crossing vast oceans, pipeline compression simply cannot transport enough volume to make the journey economically viable.
Specialized cryogenic facilities chill the gas to an astonishing -160 degrees Celsius. Extreme freezing temperatures physically transform the invisible vapor into a highly concentrated and crystal clear liquid. This specialized liquid state requires 600 times less physical storage space than its original gaseous form. Massive insulated transport ships carry this liquid energy across the globe to fuel entire foreign nations.
Constant automated monitoring ensures that exact thermal conditions remain perfectly stable during the entire oceanic voyage.
Upon reaching its final destination, the liquid is carefully warmed until it returns to a gaseous state.
Strategic storage facilities hold the processed energy before it enters the local municipal distribution pipeline network.
An intricate underground labyrinth of smaller steel pipes delivers the fuel directly into residential neighborhood grids. Because purified methane is naturally odorless, a vital safety compound smelling like sulfur is artificially injected. This distinct artificial scent guarantees that ordinary citizens can immediately detect any highly dangerous invisible leaks. Advanced regional control centers monitor pipeline pressure 24 hours a day to prevent catastrophic system failures. A simple turn of a residential kitchen valve releases the ancient energy directly into the stovetop burner. This complex global infrastructure works tirelessly to provide clean and reliable energy for modern human civilization. As the world evolves, this vital resource serves as a crucial bridge toward a sustainable energy future.
Crude oil represents an incredibly potent liquid energy source that completely dominates our modern global economy.
This dark, energy-dense liquid was forged over millions of years from decaying prehistoric marine life. Finding these massive underground reservoirs requires sending extremely powerful sound waves deep into the earth. Expert geologists analyze these returning echoes to map the complex three-dimensional structures hidden far below.
Before extracting a single drop, exploratory drilling must physically confirm the exact presence of oil.
Reaching deep ocean reserves requires assembling colossal floating cities directly above the submerged oil fields. Advanced submarine robots install massive control valves on the dark ocean floor to regulate pressure. A heavy steel drill string forcefully descends through miles of crushing seawater and solid rock.
Massive automated safety valves stand ready to instantly seal the well and prevent catastrophic explosions.
However, massive quantities of crude oil remain stubbornly trapped inside incredibly dense underground rock formations.
Modern drills plunge vertically before sharply turning to carve horizontal paths directly through solid shale.
Engineers aggressively pump pressurized water and sand into the rock to shatter the dense formations.
Millions of invisible microfractures instantly spiderweb through the rock, allowing the trapped oil to escape. The heavy injected sand physically wedges the tiny cracks open, creating permanent pathways for extraction. Freed from its ancient prison, the heavy crude oil finally surges upward toward the surface. Massive surface pump jacks rhythmically extract the dark liquid from deep within the newly fractured earth. Moving millions of barrels of crude oil across continents demands an incredibly massive transport network. Gigantic steel pipelines transport the heavy crude continuously across thousands of miles of rugged terrain.
Colossal floating supertankers easily carry millions of barrels of crude oil directly across vast oceans. These massive vessels represent vital lifelines, connecting isolated extraction points to highly advanced global refineries. The heavy crude oil finally arrives at massive coastal refineries for completely transformative chemical processing. This chaotic dark liquid cannot power modern vehicles without undergoing extreme industrial separation and refinement.
The crude oil is pumped directly into massive industrial furnaces and heated to extreme temperatures.
Intense thermal energy aggressively boils the thick liquid, completely transforming it into a chaotic vapor. These heavy, hot vapors aggressively surge directly into the bottom of a colossal distillation tower.
As the vapor slowly rises through the massive steel tower,
it begins to rapidly cool.
The heaviest chemical compounds condense near the bottom, forming thick materials like asphalt and lubricants.
Lighter hydrocarbon molecules travel higher up the tower before condensing into vital diesel and kerosene.
The lightest vapors reach the very top before finally condensing into highly combustible liquid gasoline. Heavy leftover molecules are violently broken apart in catalytic crackers to produce even more gasoline. Microscopic catalysts aggressively shatter the heavy molecular bonds under extreme heat and intense industrial pressure. Highly toxic sulfur compounds are carefully stripped away to ensure the final fuels burn cleanly. Laboratory technicians constantly monitor the chemical purity of the refined fuels using highly advanced chromatographs. The perfectly refined liquid fuels are carefully pumped into massive circular storage tanks for distribution.
Heavy industrial tanker trucks pull directly into automated loading bays to receive the refined gasoline.
These massive tanker trucks safely transport the highly flammable liquid directly into bustling modern cities.
Not all petroleum becomes fuel. Chemical plants transform specific byproducts into completely essential modern plastics.
Complex chemical reactors aggressively link tiny hydrocarbon molecules together to form incredibly strong plastic chains. These heavy polymer chains are rapidly chopped into millions of tiny, highly versatile plastic pellets. These fundamental plastic building blocks are shipped globally to manufacture medical devices and consumer electronics. Meanwhile, the refined liquid fuels continue their journey directly into local neighborhood retail service stations. Massive underground containment tanks safely store the highly combustible gasoline securely beneath the concrete pavement.
Powerful submerged turbine pumps silently push the liquid gasoline upward toward the modern retail dispensers. Highly precise digital flow meters perfectly measure every single drop of fuel passing through the pump.
A complex mechanical nozzle guarantees completely safe and perfectly controlled delivery directly into the vehicle. The highly refined chemical energy finally cascades directly into the waiting fuel tank of the car. High-pressure fuel injectors violently spray the pure liquid gasoline directly inside the hot engine cylinders. A single electrical spark instantly detonates the vaporized fuel, forcing the heavy engine piston downward. This incredibly violent chemical explosion is instantly converted into smooth mechanical rotation, driving the wheels.
Millions of controlled explosions occur every single minute, smoothly propelling vehicles across vast concrete highways.
This incredibly complex industrial journey perfectly converts ancient dark liquid into the ultimate modern power.